Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are good and safe at home. So I'm your math teacher for class 3 from IYS school. So today we are again continue our chapter number 1, that is notation and numeration that we have started previous week. Okay. So I'm again welcome you all to the class 3 in session 2021 and 22. I'm glad that you all are here again with me. So before starting today's lesson, I have some instructions for you. Kindly follow them strictly. Instruction number 1 is don't raise hand during teaching. Ask questions at the end of the teaching. Use hand-free if you are using mobile and headphone for computer use. Number 4. Feed your ID and password properly with your name and class. Number 5. Take care of time for attending the class. Number 6. If there is any disconnectivity during the teaching, try to join again within 5 to 10 minutes. Number 7, you all must attend the class because 100% attendance is compulsory. Your attendance will be marked. Is that clear, students? Your attendance will be marked, so please come with your original names, real names. And number 8, last instruction is keep all necessary things with you like stationery box, rough copy, textbook, etc. Okay, so these all are instructions. So hopefully you all understand these instructions. If you all hear my voice clearly, then reply yes in chat box. If you all hear my voice clearly, then reply yes in chat box. Students, hurry up, beta. If you all hear my voice clearly, then reply yes in chat box. Hurry up. Okay, so I'm going to start chapter number 1, notation and numeration. Continue in previous class we have what we have learned about. We have done review of 3-digit numbers. We have started 4-digit numbers, starting learning 4-digit numbers. So today objectives are place value of 4-digit numbers, place value chart of 5-digit numbers, and comparison of numbers. These are today's objectives. Okay, today's topics. So successor is, first of all, I'm going to give a short review of previous class. Successor, the number that comes just after a given number is called the successor. You know that in previous class what we have learned, that the number that comes just after a given number is called successor. And what are predecessors? Predecessor are the number that comes before, successor are the numbers that comes after, and predecessor are the numbers that comes before. Like successor of 1 is 2 because 2 comes after 1. Successor of 99 is 100, and successor of 1234 is 1235. Like here, predecessor means the number that comes before. So the predecessor of 2 is 1 because 1 comes before 2. Predecessor of 15 is 14 because 14 comes before 15. Predecessor of 100 is 99 because 99 comes before 100. Okay, so this is a quick review of successor and predecessor. We have learned 3-digit numbers. That 3-digit numbers ends up till hundreds. The places ends up till the last place of 3-digit is 100. Okay, we have learned about 4-digit numbers. Laba Kashif, please check your net connection, beta. Ainul, wait for a while. First of all, tell me how many you have done previous week home task. Students, tell me how many of you have done previous home task. If you have done previous home task, then reply yes in chat box with your names. Hurry up. Girls, beta, hurry up. Tell me how many of you have done previous home task. Very good, Iman. Excellent. Iman Shahzad. Anybody else? Sakina, very good, very good. Fatma Adnan, that's good. Okay, beta. So this is 4-digit number. You know that 4-digit number place until 1000. 3-digit number is 100 and 4-digit numbers are thousands. Okay. So place value chart of 4-digit numbers. You know that I told you ones, tens, hundreds comes in the period of units, 1000, 10,000 come in the period of 1000. Okay, so ones, 10, 100,000. Here at the place of 1000, what value is given here? 1. At the place of 100, 4. At the place of tens, 8. And at the place of ones, 9. This is called a place value chart. Okay. So now here you see place value chart for 4-digit numbers. Again, first of all, you write this number in a standard form and simple form. You know, I told you that ones, 10, hundreds comes in the house of the period of ones. So 1000, 10,000, so on. This is 4-digit number, so 1000 comes in the house of 1000. So when we need to separate one house from another house, what we need to put between comma. Okay, so 1 comma 489. In words we write 1489, and in expanded form 1 at the place of 1000. You know that 1000 is 4-digit number, so 1 3 comma 3 zeros plus 4 is at the place of 100, 400, plus 8 is at the place of tens, 80, and plus 9. This is expanded form, this is word form, and this is standard form. Exercise 1.4. Okay, place these number in periods by using comma. Have you all done this exercise in your copies? Hurry up, tell me. You all done this exercise in your copies? Quickly answer me. Exercise 1.4, 5 questions you have to do in your copy now. How many of you have done this in your copy? Zainab, Salim, why beta? Do it as soon as possible, okay? Okay, exercise 1.4 question, place these numbers in periods by using comma. Sayyid Iman Shahzad, why? Beta, solve exercise 1.4 in your copy as soon as possible, okay? That is all about previous home task, okay? So question, place these numbers in periods by using comma. 8500, you know that this is 4-digit number, so where we need to put comma? Obviously after 1000, so 8 comma 500. So here 3015, 3015, 8090, 902. This is all about exercise 1.4, writing 4-digit number in various forms. Writing 4-digit numbers in various form. This is standard form, digit form. This is expanded form, and this is word form, writing in words. You know that how many blocks of units are given here? 9. So 9 at the place of unit. How many columns of tens are given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Quickly tell me that how many boxes of hundreds are given here? Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Reply me in chat box, students. How many columns of hundreds are given here? What we are at the place of 100? 2. Very good, Sakina. Excellent. That answer is 2. How many boxes of hundreds are given here? 2. And now tell me how many boxes of 1000 are given here? What we are at the place of 1000? Quickly, very good, Nana. Very good, Hania. Yes, Hania, Majid, very good. How many boxes of thousands are given here? Only 1. So 1259. Now you write 1259 into word form. Very good, very good. Yes, Iman, Shahzad, Nana. Yes, the answer is 1. 1000 boxes only given here. So you write 1 at the place of 1001, comma 259. So in word form you write 1259. And now in expanded form, you know that 1 is a 4-digit number. So you put 3 zeros, 1000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 9. Okay. Write these numbers placing the commas correctly. Open your books, page number 8. Students, open your books, page number 8. Hurry up. Quick, quick. Number 1. 3115. If you want to take a screenshot of this slide, take it right now. Write these numbers placing the commas correctly. So number 1 is 3115. So 3000 comma 115. Number 2 is 1405. 1405. Number 3, 7,021. So nothing is given at the place of 100. Okay, and yeah, nothing is given at the place of 100. So you write 7,000 at the place of 100. You put 0 and 21. Okay, so number 4 is 8,092. So you write 8 at the place of 1000 and 0 at the place of 100 because nothing is given here, and 92. And then 5,686, 5, this is 4 digit, now 5,686 and 2,099, 2,099. You will solve this part B, page number 8 and 9 in your books by using pencil. If you want to take a screenshot, take it right now. Okay. After that, write the number below in words. This is part C, question number 9. This is just example for your guidance, so you can easily solve part C in your copies. Part C, page number 9. Open your books. Part C, page number 9. Zainab Salim, beta, wait for a while. Part C, page number 9. Open your books, students. Part C, page number 9. Write the number in words, placing the commas correctly. This example is same like part C. Okay, this is just example. This is same like part C. If you want to take a screenshot of this, take it, so it will help you to solve your questions. You will solve only 5 questions from part C in your fair copy. Okay, only 5 questions from part C, page number 9 in your fair copy. Only 5 questions. This is just for your guidance. If you want to take a screenshot, take it. Write the number in words. 1,483. So you write in words 1,483. 3,072. So you write 3,072 because at the place of 100, what is given here? 0. Like 3,300, 4,002. In this way, you will solve part C. Only 5 questions in your fair copy, page number 9. Now, this is also example. This is also example. Page number 9, part D. Sorry, page number 9, part D, expanded form. Okay, so this is just example. If you want to take a screenshot for your guidance, take it. Write a 4-digit number in expanded form. Okay, write a 4-digit number in expanded form. This is same as part D in your book, page number 9. You will also solve 5 questions from part D in your fair copy. Only 5 questions from part D, page number 9. Students, listen to me carefully. Part D, only 5 questions in your fair copy, page number 9. This is just for example. This is expanded form, 5,057. So you write 5,000 at the place of 100, to put 0 at the place of 10. So you write 50 and 7. And this is about, yes, it's all about 4-digit numbers. So 7,000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 4. This is expanded form. You will solve part D, page number 9 in your fair copy. Only 5 questions in this way. Is that clear? Okay. Now, question. Write the place value of colored digit. Write the place value of colored digit. Here, what's the colored digit? Here, what's the colored digit, beta? 2. So, 2, what's the place of 2? 1. So, write 2 ones or 2. This is same as part F in page number 10. Open your books, page number 10, part F. Students, open your book, page number 10, part F. Part E, you will solve part E in your books by using pencil. Okay, now comes to part F, page number 10. This is same as part F. Okay, take a screenshot of this. I am talking about exercise 1.4, part F, page number 10. No, I know. You will. I will show you home task in that. Okay, wait. So 2. What's the place of 2? 1. So you write 2 ones or 2. Same in your book, part F, page number 10. This is 6. 6 at the place of 100. So you write 600 or 600. This is 4. 4 is at the place of 1000. So 4000 or 4000. This is 7. 7 is at the place of 1. So you write 7 ones or 7. This is 5. 5 is at the place of 100. So you write 500 or 500. This is 9. 9 is at the place of 1000. So 9000 or 9000. This is 8. 8 is at the place of 10. So 8 or 80. This is for guidance. Okay. This same exercise is given in your book, page number 10, part F. Page number 10, part F. Okay. You will solve these questions in your book by using pencil. And now we have done with 4-digit numbers. So I'm going to start introducing 5-digit numbers. 10,000. 4-digit number read as 1000 and 5-digit number read as 10,000. Okay. Also look into your books, page number 10. Look into your books, page number 10. Hurry up. If we have 9,999 blocks, if we have 9,999 blocks and we add one more to 9,999, if we have 9,999 blocks and we add one more to 9,999, the next number that comes is 10,000. Is that clear? Who is Xperia 25? Please come with your original name, otherwise your attendance will not marked. Xperia Z5, sorry, Xperia Z5. Who is Xperia Z5? Please come tell me your original name, otherwise your attendance will not marked. Okay, so again I am repeating, introducing 5-digit numbers. 10,000. 4-digit number read as 1000 and 5-digit number read as 10,000. If we have 9,999 blocks, 9,999 blocks, and we add one more to 9,999, the next 5-digit number comes, that is 10,000. Is that clear? So 5-digit number is 10,000. Place value chart of 5-digit number. This is place value chart. Units, tens, hundreds comes in the period of ones. Thousand, 10,000s comes in the period of thousand. To separate one period from another period, what we need to put here? Comma. Is that clear? Because ones, 10, hundreds comes in the period of ones, and thousand, 10,000 comes in the period of thousand. Okay, is that clear? So where we need to put comma? Here. This is 5-digit number. 5-digit number is called 10,000. Xperia Z5. Please tell me your original name. Xperia Z5. Okay. Place value chart of 5-digit number. Starting from here. Units 4, tens, 8, 100, 9. Now 1,006 and 10,002. So you write 26,000, comma 984. 26,000, comma 984. In words we write 26,984. And in expanded form, you know that 2 is 5-digit number. 5-digit number is read as 10,000. So your 5-digit number means 5 digits. So how many zeros we need to put with this? 4 zeros. 20,000 plus 6,000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 4. This is expanded form of 5-digit numbers. Is that clear, students? If you have any question, any problem, raise hand at the end of the class, and I will unmute you, then you will ask, okay? This example of 5-digit numbers. 37,159. 3, 10,000 means 30,000. 7, 7,000. 1, 100. 5, tens, and 9 at the place of units, so it is called, stands for 9. Exercise 1.5. Open your books, students. Exercise 1.5. Hurry up, quick. Exercise 1.5. Open your books. Write the following numbers. Exercise 1.5, page number 12. Exercise 1.5, page number 12. Okay. Write the following numbers in figures by placing the commas correctly. 15,000. Okay, 15,000. So 15,000. 45,000 and 63. 45,000, nothing is given at the place of 100, so 0 and 63. 69,003. 69,000, comma, sorry, this is by mistaken. 69,003. 91,037. 91,037, because nothing is given at the place of 100, so you write 0. 34,025. 34,025. This is all about exercise 1.5. You will solve all questions in your book by using pencil. Exercise 1.5 part A, page number 12 in your book by using pencil in this way. If you want to take a screenshot, take it, and please place the comma correctly. Okay, you know that once 10 hundreds comes in one's house and 1,000, 10,000 comes in 1,000 house. So separate both of houses, you need to put comma here. Okay, so please place the commas correctly. If you want to take a screenshot, take it. Now writing 5-digit numbers in words. This is same as exercise 1.5 part B, page number 12. Look into your books, page number 12, exercise 1.5 part B. You will also solve, you'll only solve 5 questions from exercise work 1.5 part B in your fair copy. Part B, exercise 1.5, page number 12, only 5 questions in your fair copy. Is that clear? Okay, so how you will solve? Take a screenshot of this. This will help you to solve part B of exercise 1.5 in your fair copies. You'll only solve 5 questions from each part in your copy that I told. Okay, so 53,016, writing in words 53,016. 11,201. 11,201. In this way, you will solve part B in your copies. Only 5 questions from exercise 1.5 part B. Okay, is that clear? Any problem? Okay, now this is expanded from page number 13 in your books, part C. Page number 13, part C. Hurry up quick, look into your books, page number 13, part C. Writing 5-digit numbers in expanded form. You know very well now about expanded form. This is expanded form of 5-digit numbers. So 7 is at the place of 10,000. So you write 70,000, 5,000, 200 plus 30 plus 2. 90,000 plus 9,000 plus 700 plus 60 plus 3. In this way, you will solve part C in your fair copy. Only 5 questions from exercise 1.5, page number 13. Only 5 questions from your book, part C. This is just for example. If you want to take a screenshot, take it. Okay, next. Write the place value of colored digit. This is from your book, page number 13, part D. This is from your book, page number 13, part D. Solve these questions in your copy, in your fair copy. Okay, in your fair copy, only 5 questions. Part D, page number 13, exercise 1.5. Write the place value of colored digit. Here, what's the colored digit? Hurry up quickly, tell me, answer me in chat box. What's the color digit here? In number 1, what is color digit? Dua 1, beta, wait for the home task. I will repeat you in the end. Hurry up quickly, tell me, number 1, what's color digit? 5. Very good. And what is the place of 5? Hurry up quickly, tell me. What is the place of 5? Students, hurry up, come on, answer me. What is the place of 5? 100. Excellent. 500 or 500. Now number 2. Hurry up quickly, tell me what is the color digit in number 2? And what's the place of color digit? Color digit and what's the place of color digit? Reply yes. Reply, answer me in chat box. 0. And what's the place of 0? Tens. Very good, Naina, Laiba, Kashif, Sakina. Yes, the place of 0 is tens. Okay, so 0 or 0, tens. Now number 3, tell me what's the color digit and what's the place value of color digit? 3. And 3, what the place of 3,000. Here number 4. 4 is at the place of, 4 is at the in number 4. 4 is at the place of 10,000. 40,000 or 4 10,000. And in number 5, 8 is at the place of ones. 8 or 8 ones. 8 or 8 ones. Very good. Okay. Yes, beta. Very good, Nana. Very good, Fatma, Adnan. Yes, excellent. In this way, you will solve part B in your fair copies. Only 5 questions. Is that clear, students? Only 5 questions in your fair copy from this part B, page number 13. Very good, Sayyada Aman. Very good. Okay, so the next is comparison of numbers. Now listen to me carefully, okay, with full concentration. Comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. Remember, we use symbol greater than for greater and smaller than for less than. This is greater and this is smaller. While comparing 5-digit numbers, we check the digit in 10,000 place first. Whenever we compare digits, this is greater sign, this is less than sign. Whenever we compare, Najish beta, wait for the home task. Okay. Remember, we use symbols greater than and smaller than. Okay. So while comparing 5-digit numbers, first of all, which digit you check? 5-digit. The digit at 10,000 place means fifth digit. First of all, you take fifth digit. Here, what's the fifth digit? 6. And here, what's the fifth digit? 5. So what is the greater here? This number. While comparing number, first of all, you check fifth digit. Here, fifth digit is 6 and here, fifth digit is 5. So what's the greater here? This one. So you write greater than sign here. If 6 digit in 10,000, if digit in 10,000 place are both are same. Now here you see that at the fifth digit place 3 and at the fifth digit place 3. Now you see digit at 4-digit number. If fifth digit at the number digits at fifth place 1000 and 10,000 place are same. If the digits are 10,000 place are same, then you check the digits at thousands place. If digits in 10,000 place are same, then you check digit at thousands place. So here 1000 place 2 and here 1000 place 3. So what is greater here? This one. 3 is greater than 2 now, so you write greater than sign here. In same case, if digits at 1000, 10,000, 10,000, 1,000 both are same, then you see the digits at hundreds place. If 100 place are same, then you see the digit at tens place. Now here you see 10,000 place same, 1,000 place same, 100 place same. Now you see digit at tens place. So here tens place 2 and here tens place 5. So 2 is smaller than 5. Now here you see that digits at 10,000 place same, digits at 1,000 place same, digit at 100 place same, digit at tens place same. Now digit at units places, here is 7, here is 6, so 7 is greater than 6. And this way you will do comparison. Is that clear? Okay. Now this is just for example. You will solve part E comparison exercise in your book by using pencil. Greater than, smaller than, and is equal to. This is just for example. If you want to take a screenshot, take it. This is as per your wish. So first of all, now here you see these are 5 digits and these are 4 digits. So obviously this is greater. Okay. Now here you see these both are same now. So what we put here is equal to sign. Now here you see first place 10,000 place, here is 9 and here is 6. So what is greater here? This one. In this way you will do comparison. Now look at here, this is another example. 1, 10,000, 7,000, 300, 4, 10 and 6 ones. So 10,000, 7,000, 300, 40 and 6. This is just example. Okay. Now another example of comparing 5-digit numbers. Okay. Which is greater? Students, which is greater? Hurry up, tell me. Here 21,253 is greater, and here which is less than. Here they are asking greater and here they are asking about less than. So here which is less than? 62,323 is less than 62,332. So here you write less than and here you write greater. Now here which is less? In number 3, here students answer me in chat box. Which one is less? Hurry up, come on, answer me. Which one is less? This one or this one? Quick, 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 answer me, hurry up. Right hand side, right hand side. No beta, this is left hand side and this is right hand side. So left hand side is less now. And here which is greater? Now tell me here which is greater, this one or this one? Hurry up, answer me. And this, which is greater? This one, 33,334. This is greater. In this way, you will solve part E in your books by using pencil comparison exercise. Is that clear? Now, I'm again sharing face sheet. How many of you are done with face sheet in your fair copies? Hurry up, reply me in chat box. Yes, yes, Nana. Very good, Sakina. Yes, you are right. Right hand side. How many of you are done with face sheet in your fair copies? Hurry up, answer me. Very good. Sakina, have you done with face sheet? Nana, okay, good. First of all, you make face sheet in this way: name, father name, class, roll number, subject, subject teacher, class teacher. This is all I already told you in previous class. Very good, Iman. Very good, Zeenat Salim. Very good, excellent. After that, you make title page of first term, May to November 2021. Okay, Raiba, wait for a while. And after that, you make title page of chapter, as I told you in previous class, chapter number 1, notation, numeration. And now this is the home task. Now listen to the home task carefully and take a screenshot of this home task. Okay, Zeenat. Okay, Sakina. Very good, beta. Do exercise 1.4. Students, take a screenshot of home task and listen to home task carefully. Do exercise 1.4, part A, C, D, and G in your fair copy. Exercise 1.4, part A, C, part A, part C, part D, and part G in your fair copy. Part G is not difficult. Simply you write one, open your books, page number 10. Simply you write 1001, 1002 till 1010, then you write these in words. Okay, this is all about part G. Do exercise 1.4, part A, C, D, and G in your fair copy. Do exercise 1.4, part B, E, and F in your book by using pencil. Do exercise 1.5, part B, C, D, and F in your fair copy. And do exercise 1.5, part A and E in your book by using pencil. Okay, this is all about today's home task. Today our chapter number 1, notation and numeration, is completed. Inshallah, in next class we will start chapter number 2, addition. Okay, you should done your work till Saturday or Sunday of chapter number 1 in your fair copies or in your books. Okay, now this is all about today's lesson. Chapter number 1 is completed. Inshallah, we will meet in next class. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.